Okay, so we're on the USD NYR OTC pair, and similarly to the previous trade here, I took a buy trade or a call trade. And the reason why I took the trade is if you notice here, the ADX lines are showing a growing divergence of the lines here. There appears to be a beginning of a bullish trend here. We have several green candles printing. Then we have the Williams percent R line printing above the -20 line here, the green -20 line holding steady. And then if you look at the momentum indicator here, it's showing growing green histogram bars growing in length, printing above the zero line. So all of these confluences, the price action, the divergence of the ADX lines, the Williams percent R momentum, along with the growing histogram bars, suggests a continued bullish push to the upside in the price of the currency pair. So let's monitor the trade and wait for the expiry. This is exactly like the previous trade we took. Okay, so that trade was also in the money.